Today we're starting on freshly washed hair, and we are trying to see if we can get from this to this in 20 minutes or less, because I have somewhere to go and not a lot of time. So whenever I blow dry my hair, I start with a leave-in conditioner. This is the Redken Anti-Snap Leave-In Conditioner. I'm using the old bottle. Yes, it's time for me to buy the new one, but I have a little bit left in my old bottle, so I'm finishing that. After I apply it to my hair, I am brushing it through and adding it to each section separately so each section does not end up dry and fried, because we don't want dry and fried hair. I'm now adding the Canva Platinum Blow Dry Spray to each section. I love using these two items together. My hair does not feel sticky or weighed down when I use them. This is the time that I'm starting. Let's see how long it takes to finish. These blow dry brushes really take the hassle out of blow drying and put less stress on your arms. It just makes the whole blow drying process so much easier and quicker as well. And it looks like we're just about done, and the end time is 4:32. So I finished in 17 minutes, and it got kind of hot. So yes, it is done, but After a few minutes of cooling off, I did just go over my roots to make sure it was completely dry, and it was a simple and easy blow dry. If you would like to see how I use the time out in my hair after blowing it out, check out this video.